For one of the largest supermarket chain in the Netherlands, Elten delivered multiple roll cage transport systems for empty and loaded roll cages. With an EPT, a slug of nested roll cages will be fed into one of the 6 buffer lanes. After positioning the slug into the buffer lane, the Eltrack Transport System will transport the slug to the outfeed. At the outfeed, the operator will pick one nested roll cage out of the buffer lane and will assemble the roll cage manually. Assembled empty roll cages will be fed into the roll cage checker by the operator. Different parts of the roll cage will be checked mechanically before the roll cage will be accepted and transported into the automated system. Assembled empty roll cages will be transported to the outfeed. At the outfeed, a single empty roll cage will be gripped by the transfer unit, lifted and positioned on the chain conveyor. Now the second single empty roll cage will be gripped by the transfer unit, lifted and positioned on the chain conveyor. The T-car will be positioned in front of the 2 empty roll cages, and both roll cages will be loaded on the T-car. The T-car will transport the 2 empty roll cages to the correct RC loader. After unloading, the T-car will arrive at the loading position again. One of the buffer lanes will transport 2 empty roll cages to the second floor. There, the empty roll cages will be buffered and transported to the outfeed. At the outfeed, the operator will pick one assembled roll cage out of the buffer lane manually. On the second floor, an EPT with 4 loaded roll cages will be positioned on the loading position. With driven belts and chain conveyors, the loaded roll cages will be transported to the lift. When the 2 loaded roll cages are in front of the lift, the doors will open automatically. The lift will be loaded with 2 roll cages at a time, and the doors will be closed again. Now the lift will be lowered to ground floor level, and the lift will be unloaded. The 2 loaded roll cages will be transported to the unloading position.
For more information, go to Elten.nl.